Hi guys, welcome to RS Technologies. My name is Saikumar. In this session, we are going to learn working with Turbo C++. Oh, what is the Turbo C++? Which is nothing but an IDE which is used to execute a particular C program, C or C++ programs. What is the meaning of IDE? IDE is nothing but integrated development environment, integrated development environment. And this IDE also called as editor, and this ed- editor also called as blue screen. What guys? Blue screen. Okay, while working with Turbo C++, we need to know some keys like if you want to save particular program, you need to enter F2. What guys? F2. F2 is used to save the file. F2 is used to save the file. Alt plus F9, which is used to compile the program. And Alt control plus F9 is used to run or execute the program. And Alt plus F5 is used to output to output. Okay. We will see the sample program in Turbo C++. This is the Turbo C++ application. This is the interface of the Turbo C++ application. This is the blue screen. I have already saved the program called operator.c. If you want to take a new file, go to files and there is a new option. In that you need to save the file while entering the shortcut key F2. If you are using laptop, press function key and press F2. Function key press F2 and save the file name whatever first. This is my first program no? Dot extension is C. We are writing C program, so we need to give extension as dot C. Okay, save. Okay, guys, you can see here the file name is saved as first.c. If you want to write the program, you need to include the header files to the your program. Yash include stdio.h. Yash include stdio.h is the header files. stdio.h means standard input output header file, which is a which is used to perform particular operation. For example, if you want to print a particular string, the printf function is predefined function which is located in stdio.h header file. Inside the header file, uh, There is particular predefined operations developed developed and provided us to do particular tasks. For example, if you want to write the program, we should start with main function void main. There is two types of the uh, declarations of main. One thing is void main, one thing is int main. If you write the integer main, you need to return the value. What is the return the value? We will see in the further sessions. Just accept the words. We have two types of declarations to the main function, which is void main and int main. I am using void main here. After main function, we need to open curly brace and close the curly brace. In between the open and closed curly brace only, we need to write the program. Open and closed curly brace is nothing but the scope of the main method. Within the curly brace, whatever we are writing, which is belongs to main method. If you write after the curly brace, which will give error and compiler not understood. Okay, if you want to um, int a, I am here. I am declared the integer type variable. ఇక్కడ a is the variable, int is the data type. I am assigned a integer type data type to particular a variable. If I want to assign a value, a is equal to 10. You can see here in line number 4, a is declared as integer type variable. So it is able to store 2 bytes of memory. So 10 here, 10 a is equal to 10 in fifth line. In 10 is the integer type value. A is the integer type variable. I am allowed to store the integer type value into integer type variable only. I can't store float type variable into integer type. I can only store integer type variable into integer. If you want to print the a value, printf. Printf is the function which is a predefined function which is used to print the data into console. Printf, open brace, close brace, in between whatever you wrote, that will be print. After open and close brace, there will be semicolon. Every statement contains semicolon here. Semicolon is nothing but end of the statement. Compiler understood that this statement is ended. If you want to print integer type data, so you need to write percentage %d. Percentage %d is used to store integer type data and uh, print to the console by using printf function. If you want whatever data you want to print, the variable you should mention after comma. The a will be stored in percentage %d because it is the integer type value. A stored in the percentage %d and it will print by using printf function. In C language, the compiler will read from top to bottom approach and the function will read as right to left, right to left. Here a assigned to percentage %d, a stored in percentage %d, that value 10 will print by using printf in console. If you want to compile, I have already saved the program. If you want to compile the program, press Alt and F9. Zero errors. Look guys, zero errors. If you want run the program. Control F9. Okay, guys, if you want to display the output, Alt plus F5. See here, guys, a value printed here. Okay, what happening here? Int a declared, and next line 10 assigned to a. In printf, I have printed a value. As per my printf statement in console, 10 has been printed. Okay, we will see another program. I'm taking new file. To clear this data. Function plus F2 to save the file. I'm giving this is my second program now. Second dot C. Extension is C. Okay, I'm including the header file. Include include stdio.h void open and close curly brace, and in between char. Char is the one of data type name of 10. This it is able to store 10 bytes. 10 bytes. 10 bytes is nothing but 10 characters. For example, name is equal to printf name equal to percentage s. String no percentage s is used to store the string data. String data. Actually, this program will give error. Guys, this program will give error. Look at here, one error. What is the error? We will see in line number 5. There is a error. What is the problem, guys? We can see we are not allowed to write like this. Char name is equal to here. Now you can see control function F2 to save. Control F9, no error. Alt F9 and to view output, Control F5. Alt F5. What is the 10? 10 is the previous program output. If you want to clear the previous program output, you need to include one more header file called conio.h, and there is a function called CLR SCR is nothing but clear screen function. Control F9, Alt